All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can leverage the additional high contrast feature within a Chromebook, another part of the Google Chromebook Accessibility Suite. This particular accessibility feature is really helpful for some of our students who are low vision and need to have color contrast changed so they can see things and see where the cursor is with a little bit more ease. This is also helpful for any individuals who have other visual disabilities, as well as some of our students who might have dyslexia and need to have the view of the text on their screen altered to their preferences. So again, I'll click the bottom menu down here where the time and the battery is, and I'll select accessibility. And then the button I'm looking for is high contrast mode. All right. So as you notice here, if you see my video camera, I look a little bit different right now. And that's because my Chrome settings just changed so that it's in high contrast mode. This is really helpful because the color choices here help individuals with color blindness as well as individuals with low vision because there's a sharper contrast between these different pieces. So if I look at other tabs, if I pull up a website, you'll notice that the colors are distorted from their original settings. So the user can have a more customized experience and have their needs supported. All right, so if you see here, this could be a helpful option for some of our students who need to have a higher contrast option when they're reviewing and looking at things on their Chromebook. Now, if I wanted to toggle this back to my original settings, again, I'll just click this bottom button down here and I'll go to accessibility and I'll just toggle off high contrast mode. So that's a helpful feature to show your students if they need to have this option if they're low vision or if they have just this as a preference. And if you don't see the option for this on your Chromebook settings menu, just be sure to contact your IT administrator so they can have that turned on.